Cyrus here today with Be Fierce Fitness again, bringing you another product review. I'm doing this one alone because Andy's out making hellicious gains. He's out there working hard, doing what he needs to do, and I'm here making reviews for you guys. Today we have one of my top products, highly recommended, Dymatize Iso-100. This is smooth banana. I like this. And then we also have my favorite version of Iso-100 in the Gourmet chocolate. Yeah, take a lot of this. Well, with regards to how much I take, super over exaggerating. As you know, I'm a big whole food type of person, so I do take my Iso-100 a couple times a week. But that tub's gonna last me a while. I don't get a lot of my protein from shakes. But Iso-100, let's talk about it. So Iso-100, as it states on the label, hydrolyzed whey protein isolate. What that means is that this is of the highest quality whey protein isolate. Incredibly clean, zero carbs, zero fats. You're gonna, in this, on the label, you get 24 grams of protein for 106 calories. Less than 1 gram of carbohydrates, 0 sugars, 0 fats. Let's talk about it. Iso-100 is an incredibly clean protein powder. The smooth banana flavor has less than 1 gram of fat and less than 1 gram of carbohydrates as well. The label states that for each 29.2 gram serving, it has 110 calories for 25 grams of hydrolyzed protein. That is the newest label that Dymatize has. This means that the protein content equates to 100 of the 110 calories per serving, or 90% of the calories, is actually coming from protein. That is a platinum standard Be Fierce Fitness goal. So with Iso-100, Dymatize has attained the platinum status for our review. There's no added aminos, no creatines, absolutely no fillers here. Dymatize Iso-100 is a stable, incredible, high-level protein from Dymatize. It's their highest and most expensive whey protein that they have. Consists strictly of hydrolyzed whey protein isolates. It's an incredibly expensive source of protein that absorbs incredibly fast and is free of lactose and sugar. Commenting on mixability. Because it's a hydrolyzed protein, it's incredibly thin. It's not going to be a thicker or creamier protein. With that being said, I have no problems at all with mixing it. It mixes incredibly well, leaves very little to no residue. It doesn't get stuck to your teeth, and is very water soluble. When you mix it in with water, it adds a very slight thickness to it, but other than that, you can't really tell it's in water as far as the mixability is concerned. It keeps a very consistent water-like base. It's very, very thin and very smooth in that manner. As far as the taste rating, I gave it an 8.5 with 6 ounces of water per scoop. It can be described as a very smooth and creamy taste. It's very decadent. It's like a good milk chocolate. It's adequately strong but not overpowering. It's not the best chocolate protein ever, but it's definitely a top tier chocolate protein. The flavoring does get enhanced with milk, but I didn't think it was worth the extra calories. It didn't make that much of a difference. Now to talk about smooth banana. It's an excellent banana taste that is smooth and fulfilling. It tastes like a bananas and cream filling. If you ever had bananas and cream oatmeal or any type of bananas and cream flavoring, it tastes kind of like that. I wouldn't call it decadent by any means, but it's easily above average in water. And I typically mix that with 6 ounces of water. Now, with the smooth banana, if you mix it with 5 to 6 ounces of milk, it greatly improves the taste. It improves the taste to where I'd give it a whole other extra point and put it at 9 out of 10. As far as the sludge is concerned with Iso-100, Iso-100 does not make a good sludge at all. It doesn't have. It's free of thickeners. It doesn't turn the sludge very well, and it's definitely a protein best used for shakes or for baking. As far as I'm concerned, Iso-100 will always have a spot in my stack until somebody comes up and can possibly beat it. It's not my #1 primary source of protein as far as shakes are concerned, but it's definitely a top 2 or 3, and I always have it in my stack. I mean, you can't build guns like these without Iso-100. Just kidding. Just kidding. That's die. This is die. It's die for sure. Thank you very much for tuning in to Be Fierce Fitness, and we're out.